How do we imagine the future of our oceans and waters? If we truly succeeded in protecting and restoring our marine and freshwater ecosystems, what would they look like? In the EU, policies and strategies are in place to support conservation and restoration efforts. But a gap remains between what is written and what is done. Beyond implementation, another barrier holds us back: imagination. We struggle to picture what thriving and restored futures might actually look like. What if we could build those futures together? Through the INSPIRI Project, we will co-create visions in and for the Danube Delta, the Baltic Sea, the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. Using cutting-edge modeling, we will test and map the visions against business-as-usual scenarios. With art science collaborations, we will bring these future visions to life and inspire change. Finally, we will host transformative labs where policymakers come together to explore bold solutions and actionable pathways. INSPIRI stands for
harmony,
hope,
collaboration,
creativity,
visioning,
connection,
out of the box,
breaking comfort zones,
negotiation,
ocean dance,
imagination,
empowering,
inspiration, action,
past, present, and futures.
We bring together local communities, expert stakeholders, scientists, artists, and decision-makers. The innovations and actionable research we produce in INSPIRI are a catalyst for action towards a positive change in our ocean, seas, lakes, and rivers. Join us